Okay, the next thing we need to create is a blogger account. And this is going to take the place of your journal reflections that we had on Blackboard. This is a document that I will upload to Blackboard that you'll be able to look at, but I want to go through some steps here, and then after it's created, some things within your blog. Okay, so you're going to go to www.blogger.com. If you already have a Google account with any of the Google tools like YouTube, Google Calendar, Google Maps, Google Docs, any of those, you can sign in here without going through this process. If you do not, you're going to click on Create a Blog. You'll go through their account setup with your email address. The password's got to be 8 characters long. A display name can just be your first name. It's really kind of how it signs your post. You can do, you got to put in this word verification, where some of these are just, I've gone through 3 or 4 times trying to get it right. Click on the accept the terms, and then click on continue. The blog title can be anything you want. You can name it, I could name it David's Journal or David's Thoughts. Just call it my blog, anything you want to call it. The blog address has to be unique. This is the address that someone will use to view your blog. You see here I typed in David and that it was already taken, right? So it has to be something somewhat unique. And then when you've done that, again, click on continue. And then you'll choose a template. And this has changed now. You have some other options that are a lot better looking than this one is. This document I created is a couple years old, and Blogger has changed on what you have for options here. But still, just pick one that you like, and then click on continue, and that will create your blog, and you'll have a choice to start blogging. This is a blog that I have, and there'll be 3 screens you can be at. This one's called the dashboard, and you can have more than one blog. You see here's, some of you may have seen this, the teaching tech tips that I send out to all of our students occasionally. It's been a while since I have. And then I have one for my family. I got recipes that we've used since my kids were kids. From here you can create a new post, which is where you will end up after you click that last step where you're creating, it says start blogging, right? So here's where you'll be putting in your posts for your journal reflections. You'll type it in here, chapter 1, chapter 2, whichever you're working on. You'll type your information here. When you're done, you're going to publish the post, okay? If you save it, it means you're going to come back later and finish it. Publishing it means Dr. Carmen will be able to see it when you're done. And once you click publish, it'll ask you, do you want to view your blog? And that will be the second of the 3, or the third of the 3 versions. So you have the dashboard, which you can go back to here from this view. That shows all your blogs. Your posting, which is where you'll be entering your post, which is on the Blogger site, right? It's not your unique address. I'll show you from here. See, it's on blogger.com still. And then when you click on View Blog, you can see here it goes to your unique address, and it'll be posted here. This unique address is what you'll have to copy and send to Dr. Carmen so she can come here and view your journals. Okay, so that's what you'll have to give her so she can see what you've done. Okay, so that covers this one.